I know you want to fly. I don't wanna walk away, way too fast. So walking straight with my chest up. I know we'll be just fine.
I need to shave.
I'm hoping we can catch up. I know you want to fly. I don't wanna walk away, way too fast. So walking straight with my chest up. I know.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Life Skills. Today is challenge day. Old school versus new school. Is an old school straight razor better than a new school safety razor? Is 5 blades really better than 1 good blade? Now, I was gonna do this with my cutthroat gents blade, but unfortunately, I'm not good enough at sharpening blades yet, so I don't think that it would be a fair challenge. Now, don't get me wrong, it does cut, as you can see. I can shave with it, but at the same time, it's not good enough to where it's a fair fight. So instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with my insert straight razor blade and these Derby Premium inserts. And what's it going up against? It's going up against the Gillette 5 blade. So this guy has 40-degree whatever rotation. It's got 5 blades in there. It's got this safety cushion at the bottom. It's got this lubricant strip on top. And it's got all these bells and whistles, and this is just a straight blade. We're gonna find out what's better. All right, guys, so I'm judging this on 4 categories. 1, closeness of the shave. Is one side smoother than the other? 2, irritation. Do I get razor burn on one side while I didn't get it on the other side? 3, price. Is it more cost effective to buy one blade and accessories to keep it sharp throughout its lifetime, or buy replacement blades all the time? 4, overall comfort and shaving experience. Which one do I like using? Which one feels great in my hand? Which one do I enjoy shaving with and would want to continue to do day after day? So in order for this to be a fair fight, I'm using all the same products. I'm using the Badger brush with the cup and the soap and the lather and all that. And then afterwards, I'm going to use the same razor bump prevention stuff and the same aftershave lotion. So the only difference is gonna be the blades. I'm gonna do straight razor on the right, safety razor on the left. But step 1, we gotta wet our face. All right, there we go. And now it's time to get to work. And we only got 1 take of this because we can only shave once. Safety razor is ready to go. And I'm just doing one side so that it's a fair fight. I'm gonna re-wet this side and then I'm gonna re-lather this side so that the safety razor has just as much equal opportunity. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I got a lot out of just one shave straight down. I don't know if I could do that with a safety razor, but we'll see. And you saw how much my hair has been growing. I haven't shaved in about a week and a half. That's a lot for me. I'm already noticing some benefits to the safety razor, and that is I can get precise with this thing. I can get under my nose, those little hairs that you can't quite get with the safety razor. Hardest part about this is not shaving the left side. This is extra hard too because of the cameras. I can't get close to the mirror like I normally would. I guess that's it for that side. We'll see what we can do. I can't really see what's going on. Same situation. Each time that I shave, I'm gonna rinse out the Gillette 5 blade. Now, first thing I notice is I can't go all the way down the way that I did with the safety blade. That's about as much as I can get, or excuse me, with the straight razor. I got all the way down to here with the straight razor. I got only about an inch down my sideburns before I have to rinse it out again. But I don't know if that's really a negative or not. It might be. Jesus. So I'm noticing that I have to press down with this safety blade in order to get these long hairs. That may just be because I haven't shaved in over a week. And normally if it was a day-to-day thing, it might be different, but I don't know. Definitely safer to use, obviously, as I got nicks on the straight razor side, and I'm being pretty careless on this left side, and no nicks on that side. All right, there we go. Let's rinse off and find the end results. All right, guys, so here's my conclusion. When it comes to closeness of a shave, the straight razor's got it. This side right here just feels a little bit smoother than this side, especially right here under my neck. I can definitely tell the difference. Not only that, but the safety razor forgot a few hairs down here as well as right here under the nose, which is usually the case because for some reason safety razors have a difficult time getting in those spaces. That being said, when it comes to irritation, this side does feel a little more tingly than this side. So maybe that's the compromise that you have to consider is, do you want a closer shave or do you want less irritation? And not that the irritation is visible, I can just feel it. So maybe that lathering strip on the top, or the fact that it's 5 blades, or the little like 40-degree rotation, whatever it is, this side doesn't feel tingly, whereas this side still does a little bit. But I don't personally mind it. Personally, it's got like this clean feeling to it in my opinion. And as far as cost goes, I think that in the long run, the straight razor is gonna be cheaper because you only have to buy it once. You have to buy a couple of things that go with it. You gotta buy the sharpening stone, you gotta buy the leather strop to keep it sharp even afterwards, because the stone only gets it so far. But other than that, you don't really have to buy anything afterwards. Whereas with safety razors, you're always gonna be buying them. Whether you do those $5 shaving clubs or you buy yours at the grocery store, whatever the case, you're always gonna have to replace them. Not only that, they get rusted if you like leave them in the shower or something like that. So that's a never-ending cost that you have to consider. Lastly is overall shaving experience. I gotta go with the straight razor. I don't know why, but it feels better in my hand. I feel like I have more control over what I'm doing. Not only that, it just, for some reason, the feeling of taking a straight blade and bringing it across this way and being able to go all the way down my cheek from my sideburn to my jawbone is a great feeling. Whereas you saw with the safety razor, I could barely get like an inch down and I had to rinse it out before I can go again. So there's a lot of stopping and starting when it comes to the safety razor, whereas with the straight razor, you can just keep on going. But maybe that's just me. I am a classic guy. I don't know if I was born in the wrong generation or what. I dress like I'm 80 years old. I drive a classic car. I listen to vinyl records. This is me. This is my personal preference. And so I'm gonna continue with the straight razors probably forever. Yeah, it's just the way that I like to shave, and I think it's a better way to go. It's nostalgic for me. That being said, I'm not gonna waste a clean shave and a nice outfit on just nothing. So me and Ashley are gonna have a nice romantic evening together. I'll see you guys next week. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. I'm having a lot of fun. I hope you are. And yeah, stay tuned.
I'm making plans for the next time. Plans for the next time we meet. I've ordered moonlight and roses and stardust to put at your feet.